Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Siwelele 0. I'm joined by El Patron.
How are you, Steve? How are you doing today?
I'm good, Serino.
I'm good, thanks.
What's up, my brother?
I'm good, man. I'm really happy, man.
Yeah.
Today we scored, man.
Yeah.
Normally, Carling Black Label's not really our cup, but today we prevailed.
Yeah.
Mbokazi scored a rocket.
Yeah.
I'm glad.
Was he your man of the match?
Yeah, I would definitely give it to him.
Yeah.
He's always like the man of the match.
Why?
He has potential to go to Europe.
He has potential to go to Europe.
Yeah.
To which team then?
Whichever team wants him the most.
Like, could he compete in Man City?
Definitely.
And like be a starter?
Yeah.
He's that elite.
Yes. He's only 19. It's enough time.
So like plenty upside for him, ne?
Yeah.
Who else impressed you, my brother?
Today impressed me was Mbule when he came on.
Master
Chef.
Man.
Came on, changed the game. Even Apollos.
Yeah.
Was in the starting 11.
Yeah.
He played well today.
We say Umnandi.
Umnandi.
Do you understand what that means?
No.
He's nice.
He's nice.
He's nice.
I thought Monate is nice.
Yeah, that's the Zulu side, but yeah. Sotho, Umnati, Zulu, Nandi.
Yeah.
Young Sol.
Yes.
Yeah, are you gonna take Carling Black Label Cup this season?
Yes, we're taking all the cups, quadruples coming home.
So you already have MTN, eh?
MTN 8, you want net. Actually 5. We got MTN 8.
Yeah.
One the Black Label.
Sure.
Netbank.
Yeah.
KEF and the Betway. 5.
Everything.
Must come 5. Must sit in a cabinet here nicely.
But like 5. I was in FNP.
Yeah.
And Amakosi told me that no, with the league guy, they are refusing. It's theirs, my brother.
They are playing well, but they need to score more than one goal. They don't really have a system going forward.
Yeah.
They can't compete, but we also gonna prevail. The main thing is about competition for South African football.
Yeah.
If all the teams do well, South Africa will do well.
Yeah.
But we're gonna prevail for sure.
But you think they don't have a system going forward?
Yeah, they're only scoring one goal. That's a problem. Then when they equalize, then it's a...
Do they score Kachaisa?
Yeah, I could say that.
Thank you very much, my brother. Away. Travel safe, though.
You too, man.
Yeah, sure.